Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today's our topic is properties of acids. First property is all acids have a sour taste. To prove this property we have activity 6.1 that we will perform here. Now we are going to perform activity 6.1 related to the first property of acids. Apparatus required for this: test tube, distill water and dilute acetic acid. First of all, we will take the test tube and fill it with water. Now we will take vinegar or acetic acid and add it in the test tube. Now we will put our thumb on the top of the test tube and shake it well. At last we will taste our wet thumb and it will taste sour. It is concluded that all acids have sour taste. Now we will have second property of acid, that is all acids turn blue litmus solution and methyl orange solution red. We will also perform this property practically and we will prove this property how acid turns blue litmus solution and methyl solution into red. Now we will perform the activity 6.2 related to the second property of acid. Material required: test tubes, sulfuric acid which we will take in dilute form, methyl orange, phenolphthalein and blue litmus. Alright, now we will take 3 test tubes, test tube 1, test tube 2, test tube 3 and fill it with dilute sulfuric acid. Now we will take the first test tube filled with dilute sulfuric acid and add methyl orange, few drops of methyl orange, and we will see the result. And we will see that methyl orange will convert the acid into red. We will take third test tube filled with dilute sulfuric acid and now we will take our third indicator, that is blue litmus, and we will put this blue litmus in test tube. Now we will see that blue litmus turn into red. Now we will conclude that all acids turn blue litmus and methyl orange into red. Now we have third property of acid, that is strong acids are corrosive in nature, that they burn skin and destroy the fabrics and animal tissues. Fourth property is that aqueous solution of acids are good conductors of electricity, that they conduct electricity when they are in aqueous solution. Thank you so much.